Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. When I travel, I like to make sure that everything is in one spot. With this carry-on, that's exactly what it does. I love the fact that everything can go into the main spot and then you have a spot for your laptop, which is very easy access for when you need it. What's really cool is that built into the handle of this carry-on is a little flap that flips down that can hold your phone so that if you want to watch something, you can while you're waiting for your flight. Another really cool thing about this carry-on is that it has a built-in cup holder so that if you have no place to put your drink, instead of putting it on the floor, you can just stick it right into the cup holder of the carry-on. So convenient. I love the fact that it has 4 wheels so that it's super easy to glide it to the destinations you're going. It spins in a 360 so that if you need to maneuver in quick action, it's easy to do so. I recently took a trip with this carry-on and I definitely felt very fashionable with it. If you're looking for a carry-on that is sleek, fashionable, and different, definitely check this one out, but that's my point of view.